Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 11T Pro. In this video I'll show you all camera modes and settings. In the beginning, let me tell you something about these basic modes like photo, video, portrait and panorama. So, in photo mode we can zoom in 10 times and zoom out 0.6 times. Then we can adjust brightness level by tapping on the icon and swiping. And we can turn on flashlight, HDR, AI, modes and Google Lens. Pretty similar in camera, but we can zoom in 6 times and zoom out 0.6. Also we've got flashlight, HDR, but we've got steady video, filters and beautify. Next we've got portrait mode with AI camera, filters, and beautify mode. In panorama we can make photo, but first let me update panorama mode. Okay, maybe later, because I think that's typical panorama mode with horizontal and diagonal line. So let's go to 108 megapixels, which we can also zoom, but only 2 times. Then we've got short video, and in more we can go to Pro mode, night mode, we can scan documents, we can record vlog, slow motion, time-lapse. We can download modes like movie effects, long exposure, or we can make dual video. Then we've got the last mode, which is clone, but it's also downloadable. Then we can rearrange our modes. But now let's go to settings. In settings we can change aspect ratio. We can set timer, turn on movie frame, guidelines, super macro, tilt shift and time burst. Next, in settings, we can turn on or off watermark, live tips, smart suggestions. We can enable or disable correct distortion in ultra-wide shots, correct face distortion on group photos, auto night mode, HEIF format. We can change picture quality. We can turn on or off shoot with screen off. And we can change volume button control. We can enable or disable focus and shoot, change function for press and hold shutter button. Then we can customize our camera. And the last things are shutter sound, which we can enable or disable. We can save previous mode and switch anti-banding. And that's all for our camera modes and settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.